$800. Then I sold it for $1,000. Then I brought the cow again for $1,100 and I sold it for $1,300. How much did I make? So here's the deal, guys. Let's suppose you've been doing this job for a long time, right? Administrative assistant, and these are some of the responsibilities that you've been doing, right? So you know how to do all that. And here I am. I have no experience as a administrative assistant, sworn, and I look at some of the details. I'm like, well, I can do some of these. Like I know how to take calls. I know how to open and incoming mail. I know how to process outgoing mail. I have some of these skills here, right? But then I come to the interview and I say, you know what? Even though you have 10 years of doing all this work, I can say, well, I have 10 years of doing not this work, but I do know a little bit about, some of the basic skills that everyone should have, right? But then I say, I know how to use AI. And there's this specific AI agent or program that has been tailored to this particular job. And I know how to use that AI agent really, 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 really good. And you can test me, you can quiz me, and I guarantee you that I'll be able to answer or do whatever is on this specific responsibility as quickly and as efficiently as possible. You see, guys, this is where we're heading. So no longer will it be your skill set and the skills that you've developed over the years of your career that will move you forward. It's going to be how well do you interact with AI to get the job done. And if there's a position open, right, and there's someone who may have less experience than you but is able to efficiently use some type of AI agent to get the job done, chances are that you're going to be overlooked for that position. Now, you may scream and you may not like what I have to say. You may say it's BS and it shouldn't be that way. And no, you can get mad all you want. I'm just the messenger. Don't get mad at me in the comments. I'm just telling you like it is, guys. If you're still in your career and you got 10 or 20 years left in your career, I highly advise you to get familiar with AI, because it's coming soon where someone's going to be able to take your position because they're able to interact with AI a little bit better than what you can interact with AI, or you're given so much pushback with AI you don't want to work with AI, but there's going to be someone who's going to be willing to learn how to coexist with AI, and that's a person that's probably going to be taking your job. So just the messenger.